Hello students, today in chapter 15 interface Python with MySQL part 3, today we learned performing delete query. In last video we learned performing insert query in a table. Now we will perform delete query. It means we can delete record through Python program from a table. So performing delete query. We can delete records from a table with Python program. We need to run commit with connection object for queries that can change the data of the database table so that changes are reflected in the database. So to save the deleted information, we will use commit method, and to execute SQL query we use execute method. So our question is, write a Python program to insert, to delete new record in a table, to delete a record from a table, from a detail table. So our table is detail and our database is school. So we will learn step by step how we can delete the record from a table through MySQL in Python. So our first step is, first we start the Python program and we write the program import mysql.connector as sqltr. Now we will open the connection sql.connect host is localhost, user is root, password is blank, and database is school. So as we know that connect method is used to open connection in Python through MySQL database, and it has 4 parameters, which is host, user, password, and database. In our case, host is always localhost, user is always root, and password is blank, and database is school. Now we check that connection is open or not. So as we know, we will use this function if mycon is connected false. If connection is not made, then it will print the error connecting to MySQL database. If the connection is proper, then cursor equal to mycon.cursor, cursor equal to mycon.cursor. So we will create a cursor in step 3. After this, I write a query that which is st equal to delete from detail where name equal to Ram. So whose name is Ram, all record will be deleted by this query. So we will execute this query by the help of execute method, which is cursor.execute st. So it means st, this query will be executed. So whatever change is made by this query, this will save by this mycon.commit function. So it will reflect the database and all record will be deleted whose name is Ram. Then we will close our connection to clean up the environment, mycon.close. So connection will be closed. So this whose name is Ram, this record will be deleted. So once again, first we import the package which has the MySQL properties. So MySQL to connector as sqltur. Now we open the connection, then we check that connection is made or not. After this, we will create a cursor, then we will write a delete query, then we execute this query, and whatever change made by this query, it will be saved by this mycon.commit function. And after this, we will we will close the function, we will close the connection. So today we learned how we can perform the delete query from a table in a database through Python program, and we will write example, this program.